Yo, what it is, YouTube? Got a couple unboxings for you guys today. Today's Wednesday, and if you didn't know what I was gonna get from that little teaser of when the mailman or UPS guy rang my doorbell, he gave you a snippet of a brand, but we'll get into that later. I'm gonna unbox or unpackage this little fella here. This I bought on Amazon.com. I think it was like $1.28 or something like that. $1, maybe 70, maybe, I don't know, less than $2. But I saw on Best Buy that one of these guys go for like $25, and my cousin used to work at Best Buy, and he said they overprice cords and cables. But it looks like this is from cmple.com of Amazon. Pretty basic envelope with just a package or a bubble wrap, bubble tape. This is a 6-foot HDMI cord. You can see here cmpl.com. Looks like they just sell HDMI, USB cords, and networking cords, all sorts of cables that you can buy. I don't know why they gave me 2 of them, just in case I lose one or something, you know. But with this kind of a price, I don't know, I might have to go back to it, but that's what it is. It's 6 feet of HDMI cables, just one cable, with Ethernet, gold plated, made in China. That's what we got. Less than $2, something. My other unboxing, that dude right there, Asus, the MLG monitor, VH236 monitor, 2ms response time, fastest response time there is. We got rock solid heart touching. I don't know what the hell that means, but that's what it is. I guess they went green with this package. www.asus.com. Pretty basic. It's got a handle on top here. Zoom in, maybe. Zoom in. See, there's a little black handle. Good for delivering. What else we got? On top we have it says monitor LCD 23-inch WTFT. Then in different languages, same thing. 1920 by 1080, full HD, HDMI, DVI-D, and D-sub. Whatevs. We got some tape here. Next project will probably be cleaning my room. So I bought this guy on. Whoa, shit! I thought I was gonna fall. Bought this guy on Newegg.com for $179.99. There's a $20 mail-in rebate. Shipping was like $9, $8.99. So I got this guy for like $189 roughly. 3-day shipping. There's a $20 mail-in rebate, so I could probably get this guy for $168. Retails for like around $200. So great deal. It's Asus sale or something like that they have going on. Okay, so right here. I'll fall out, that's all I'm saying. Try not the best way to unbox this thing. But here we go. We got a user guide. Manual. It's a pretty thick manual. I'll show it to you later here. Some cords. Another pamphlet of something. More cords. Like some heavy duty cords. I plug into various PCs. Power cord. Put that there. Grab this. There. Alright. How we do this? This is probably gonna fall. Not sure really how this is sitting. Should have probably unboxed it flat, which I might do now. Close this up. Yeah. Put this over here. Okay. So basically we got that styrofoam junk, whatever, packaging to keep it all intact. This is the like base right here. So we got the base of the TV there. Take this guy out. This is just more styrofoam shit. Oh, there's the heart of the purchase. Hold it by the frame. Push on the monitor. And we'll set that right here. Alright, so that's everything, I think. Yeah, that's everything. Just more styrofoam inside there. Get off me. Okay. So let's get this unwrapped here. This is the plate. Got the little tape around there for no fingerprints, which I probably won't take off for a while. Alright. And not sure how this really hooks up on there. I got caught underneath there, unfortunately. I don't know how to lock it. I think there's probably a button you gotta push underneath there. Whoa, I was gonna say. Malfunction. Alright. Let's see what else we got. I have all the styrofoam shit all over my room, which I'll have to clean more stuff. Asus VIP member notice. I'll sell for that $20 mail-in rebate, so this will be like $168. I think you have to send in a code, something, the purchase code or something like that. We got cables. I don't know. They're listed. what they do. I have to look at the manual a little bit more. More cables. They got little rubber bands on it, which is nice to keep everything together. And then the power cord right there. Alright, I'm gonna get this guy off somehow. Set that there. Oh, it looks like it just pops right off. Yeah. So I think there's like two buttons, like two switches that you clench together. No. Maybe pop off. Maybe not. Let me see here. Alright, whatever. Just rip that off. There's some white stuff of the screen protection still on there. I love this little symbol of putting this bag on some dude's face and them getting choked out. And also don't leave around little kids because they'll get trapped in there and picture one will result. So let's go. So we got that. There's a lot of protective tape around there. Got that sitting on the side. Splendid, try me. What is that? Oh, the buttons. So maybe we'll hook this up. What time we're working at? 12. Maybe I'll make another video of me setting this up. I'll probably look at the manual in a little bit. Figure out everything. But thanks for watching. That's the unboxing of the Asus VH236H monitor, the MLG 23-inch 2 millisecond response time, and the HDMI cord from what was it? Simple, basically cmple.com. HDMI cord for less than $2, 6 feet. Stay tuned for the whole setup and whatnot video. Peace.